Now, let me tell you the sad part of this story. You see,
quantities over quantities. Enti, you say you do a bro season, akasable say bro, full. Yeah.
nti yɛhyɛ aseɛ problem no from where it started, ɛna ɛte sɛ dɛ ayɛ biribi a sɛ yɛanhwɛ ne yie a ɛbu nkɔfoɔ aba mu. And I have even some audios that testify say nkɔfoɔ mpɛ sɛ wɔbɛkɔ maize farming bill. So you just do your calculation and then let me know in the comment section, please. Don't go. Me feel na yɛbɛkɔ into details.
A particular thing me debate farmers, and say see to it say ube diversification when ebe wow. Ama ubetimi expect you are risk taking, throughout the whole year. One.
So man, stay tuned, okay? Because who bonus is so tips and don't say mihuyanka.
So your free classroom na yaba studio no. Ene dey maybe say you describe problems na ekoso no and yama nkofo lusu thousands and why not millions of Ghana cedis about maize trading in Ghana, maize market in Ghana. No, many people. Even omuye expertise crowd. Maize storage, and so in Ghana, so be a challenge. And maize price, there, who can control it there? Nobody. And no be can say or say government. Ghana government besum na obebwa. It's far beyond. How ebetimi ama Ghana agriculture aye so sexy, aye so attracting you to ama mabe no na pese me no kan. Problem no nyina ne say cities are gaining value against dollars. The first one, remember, problems here many will share the entire amasa and go losing their capitals, and yet because of say me against it. But yeah, analysis said it be betting in my best. Enti Makambi say Ghana says are gaining value against dollars. And at the same time, climate changes and so hit it. It is a wound sustainable practices agriculture one practices sustainable for agriculture farming. And dear ebe kuno emane wiye kran say Operation Feed Ghana also aba. Now that Operation Feed Ghana also be buy na eye enitie mu no. And also allow to amankofo 8 million import to bro eba quantities over quantities. Enti he say you do a bro season akasable say bro full. Yeah. But month before a year, May, June, July, mono, even August, some gram. Nanka omuye commodity trading, of maize, Sabre na nanka osen ko omuye de, omunyo musika. General, ne osen ko omunyo musika. February, nanka osen ko omunyo musika. March, nanka osen omunyo musika because that time, maize in this system, grains in this system, But OBPA this year, Okomu Mbiano will lose were failing. And until I'm a core classroom, me chill blackboard and so buying 400 Ghana cedis per bag, plus all the expenditures, and selling it at 260 Ghana cedis, minus storage fee and some commissions. Now, what a can't go for a bonus? Seriously, Busobibia. This price is, a serious price. Enye Accra, Kumasi, Enabia, Central Jana Sete Mamusa. And until May and make a say be a price is benam demand. The same storage price, so one is toss half 400 Ghana per bag, to store it, for the good price. Now, your 4 categories are omulusu, and only one is gaining. Omulusu bako eye omua omuye middlemen omukoto bruno from the farmers and bring it to the market for the trade, commodity traders, Omua omulusu bi nso so ye market women na omuso ton market normal no olonka money ka sini bottle ne eyi mu no. Ada omu category omu elusu farmers. And farmers ni dey no omulusu into double. If you say climate change ahete into production no kra na ntimi nkoso kese. Ana wawie so kra so no wontimi ton at the price you know we expected. So bro wontimi ton so beton I was ton below the price because the demand is low and offer is high. The demand of the market are low because maize you will see dozen. If we say dollars in a call from na cities in even nearby a countries Togo ni Benin money Cote d'Ivoire mono omo maize ever Ghana beton because omo beton omo by omo themselves na omo nyesika kese sene say omo ebetena to omo krom. Ena yan kasa yen kofo no bi so import Bruno dada. Inti Bruno season ano de no aba. The nearby countries in the ba. Ena de on import. Ayeka na me pese me no share this tips here about how I will me avoid this price fluctuation, how you can stop the price loss and gain back your profit. Number one, obi a commodity maize trader biano. Who say we shall say from diversification. Adding to American diversification, diversification when ebe wow. Ama ubetimi spread your risk taking, throughout the whole year. One, say first nanka auto tons and tons of maize and tons and tons of maize bill. Auto broke maize, not to sorghum, not to sesame seeds, not to beans, not to rice. In this case, widespread or risk taking, So every month and every 2 months no ubetimi aton and the foforo and what my gain or cash flow and your profit back. And now one another fact here and what we commodity trader no in Ghana no ubetimi aye the best tip ni say before class ubeshi season biase say ye sorghum rice maize anasi bisa ko o potential client no customers no ninom ko di say from this moment going me person me supply you maize or a grains throughout the whole year. Enti say we a poultry farmer every month bia no me person o ma me amount a obehia me de bebrɛ. Enti ba say na unya sa amount na unya nipa be 5 a you can know the quantity a obehia so ube storage for the throughout the whole year. And the rest of the money in your capital, then you can pass it to the another grain, rice, sorghum, beans. Say something. It's profitable. If you don't know how to do it now, oh my asotia, you go for or multi surprise animal. Then coming back, at the same time, I would advise you, say, maize na oto ne dodo no. Wato de o customers ni behia na wie no. To at least 300 or 400 bags bia. What decided say is your own risk. Say ube hold this maize, for until say maize, whatever it is, they be reach the peak. Intiba say na just a quantity, minimum quantity being a what hold for that thing, why you are still gaining. And this is for commodity traders. Yemra yema menoma as a farmer. Na me menom ne papa num, dear farmers, I know the pain you feel. I can understand it because me and menemo kasa me so no me a farmer, and I know how you feel. And until na me person na me no kasa say mame ma bonus ya ebetimi aboa wo ama watimi am making profit at the same time where they reduce losses. I understand say obo business. I understand say oton bruna and yet the price you were expecting. And then this is why I want to tell you. Instead say ube use farm adia maize every day, every night, every month, every year biano. Yenko into this strategy. Divide your land into 2 or 3 parts. One part ubedia maize, one part ubedia beans, one part ubedia cassava. So se first na nanka wode wo ho odi ne on land nyina ye maize na eni no wode one part na ye maize no. Nti eba sei na maize ni time no so a enye capital na akoji ni nyina na wode ye maize no. Nti se maize no price no so wo form kra na ubetimi akodu on atwen the best price you betimi aboa. Why say beans are you ready? Not that time so beans so what price. And na cassava so no be ready later. I bet I guarantee you cash flow still. abetimi de tua capital no o loan no akwaji o microfinance no or bank no. At the same time doing this thing no ube boost o yield because o land no ebe geni nutrient na eluso every year bia no ube reduce the use of applying of fertilizers after we use no. So if we say beans na kasa no dey boama land anya ni nutrient back efficient nitrogen no in the land. And one thing for you and commodity trader no say mo make one partnership. Commodity trader no omo osika no financial fu no na mo stable price ya eye common eye normal eye okay ma o farmer and eye okay ma as a commodity trader no nti ba sa na udo we brofo no wie na owo otofo. The same time commodity trader nso so no ewo ne supply steady. At the same time on so no a guarantee ne ho with customer or better bro throughout the whole year. Mama follow the blueprint and the blueprint na kaneno na eye na man kofo sika bebrebe no. Enei that records no in hobio because of that is no, because of Operation Feed Ghana no, because of climate changes no. And one particular thing I'm a debate farmers and say see to it say ube try anya irrigation in your farm. Because when you irrigation in your farm now, then the maize, you are not going to plant it every time now or behind the air planting. You plant the maize at a certain time a bit meet the price peak. Nti tama market demand never cost now also brew you ready because you have the irrigation in your farm. Subscribe to YouTube channel no. Mamintie o side of opinion no. Comment say bia to wa this losses no how much now we all lose so ye ho draw. And you need to be better count. Join the YouTube channel no. Activate notification bell no. Follow your Facebook page no. Beka WhatsApp community no. Yensua de mo. We want to feed this generation and the next generations to come. Share my next video. And there are more videos also a bit my boy. Stop losing profit, capital, hope in Ghana agriculture. Agriculture is the backbone of our nation, our mother. Best wishes. God bless you. Say what ye abesi sabre. I mean, should I be baby? A bet was. Bye bye.